So it's about 7 o'clock Sunday night, September 13th. We're at 1515 French Court. Just got done changing out a water heater. The only thing we have to do is I ran short on a 90 over here for this coupling for our drain pan, but everything else, new gas line or flex line. Here's our pressure relief over there, expansion valve. The pipe fell apart up there. We had to do a slip coupling and all that to get everything tied back in. The flex hoses right there, I'll go on the other side so you can see it's not rubbing up against it. The fresh air is over here. There's our upper, here's our lower. Not a whole lot of room, but just enough room in between those two. On there, all the screws are in. We've got plenty of rise for the exhaust. Leveled it out, of course, but I know that doesn't pertain to you guys, but anyway. Drain pipe overflow into the pan. This is tied off going into the drain for there. That's it. Thank you.